Want to create stunning t-shirt designs without being a pro designer? This is how you can do it with Kittl AI. Kittl AI is an incredible, powerful tool for creating professional quality t-shirt designs, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer. In this video, I'll take you through everything that you need to know step by step so you can bring your ideas to life in no time. First, let's dive into the basics, how to get started and set up your first design. All right, so I'm signed into the back end of Kittl. Now, what we're gonna do is leverage something that's coming up. For example, Christmas is coming up, right? And this will be a good idea to create like a really cool design. There's a lot of stuff that's trending right now as far as different ideas. People are purchasing like crazy for Christmas and just think of different things, right? What are happening right now for Christmas. So what we're going to do, we're going to leverage a template in the back end of Kittl. If you're unaware of what that is, basically these are all the templates right here that people are creating and then sharing to the public. And you're going to see like how many likes they have, and you're going to see the popularity. You can give you an idea right there. Each one has its own individual that are creating these templates right here, their own profile that are creating these type of templates. So what we're going to come over here is I'm going to click on t-shirt templates. And then I'm going to come over here and use the search bar. I'm going to type in Christmas. And then we'll go ahead and Christmas Arnold, Christmas ball blazing. You can see how it's populating. We'll go ahead and do snowman. Snowman. Now it's populating some really cool stuff, right? 'Tis the season, holiday cheer, Merry, Merry Christmas. A cool one. Snow cute. That's actually a pretty cool saying. My first Christmas. It's my first Christmas. Nice one. Rockin' Christmas. That's a cool one. I like that one online, especially that illustration. This one's cool too, right here. This one. Some really good graphics that are being used inside these images. Frosty Chaos. So this is pretty cool too. The Christmas with Santa's coming soon. And let me go ahead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on this template. And as it opens up the editor, let it load up. Now, on the left-hand side right here, Kittl AI. Now this tool right here is a pretty cool tool as far as the image generator, sets generator, designer generator. Right now, I'm gonna come over to this image generator. Let's say, for example, that I don't like this actual snowman, right? Because keep in mind, everything here is going to be clickable. So you can click everything here. You can edit the text, Rocking Christmas, click on the snowman. You can click on the background in the back. You can see that, right? So everything is pretty much, you can edit the whole thing. So now let's go ahead and let's say we want to change out this actual snowman right here. I don't want him in here. So I want to create a different snowman. What I'm going to do is go ahead and just download this actual snowman. I'm going to bring it in over here. I'm going to upload it as a style. All right. So it's going to populate right here. So you can do that too. Keep in mind if you know what the style is, because if you come over here on the left-hand side, we're going to use this AI image generator. I'm going to show you exactly everything. So it looked at it and read it and it described exactly what it was for us. Now, you come over here, it's going to have image styles, right? You have digital art, photography, anime, acrylic, and then there's a few different other ones, oil painting, and then retro photo. There's a few different types, and you can keep going down. Now there's like a t-shirt graphic, cartoon, kawaii icon, nursery art. Keep going down, and now we have vector styles. There's so many different things that you can do back here, which is amazing, right? Which is all these right here. So what we're going to do is leverage this image right here, and we're going to type in no man playing the electric it. All right, so I'm going to keep it like that. I have this cartoon art highlighted. So as I click on it, as you can see that it's highlighting the actual style. So I'm going to click on that. Now, keep in mind, the reason why I uploaded it here was to help give the AI an idea of what type of image I want. I say I didn't want this, so I leveraged this template. I didn't want this template. I'm going to go ahead and create something that is similar to this template. So what I'm going to do is someone playing the electric guitar. Then now keep in mind too, you can put like red guitar, green guitar, yellow guitar. Let's do a red electric guitar. And then we'll go ahead and hit generate image. And let's let the AI work. Let's get a few different ideas here too. Let's go ahead and put them on the side right there. Let's create two more. And the cool thing too, so how I clicked on this image, I can remove the background pretty easy, by the way. Any of these backgrounds I can move pretty easy just by clicking this right here. I can vectorize the image too, or even upscale the image too. So there's a few different things that I can do here. All right, let's create one more. We're getting some good stuff here. Let's go ahead and, because it did like a reddish, orangish colored guitar, let's just go ahead and leave that blank. Take out the red and go ahead and generate one more time. And the favorite one that I'm looking at right here. Wow, this is a cool one. That's a nice one. Keep in mind, this is like a little canvas. So you're just getting inspiration, getting ideas, and then you're messing with the actual design itself. And I feel like, so we got a total of 4 of them. So you're just looking at them. This one right here, it looks like it has a double nose, right? And that's the way AI works sometimes, right? It looks like we have a double nose, so that's a no. This one, I feel like there's a ball that's connected here, and then it has 2 ends of the guitar. So I think this one's a no, this one's a no. This one I hear it's pretty clean. All right, this one's really clean. This is did a good job. And I feel like it's almost like between this one and this one. All right, I like them a lot. I think they're both pretty good. Let's go ahead and go with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this background. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one and bring it to the side over here. And you see it already removed the background for us, right? Let's go ahead and upscale this bad boy. Let's resize this bad boy. All right, let's resize it. Let's bring him in right there. And I think it did a good job. Let's see. Now this, it looks like little snowballs that are all connected, right? Let me grab this one, bring it over here. I'm ready to resize it over here. Let me remove that one. Let's see how this one looks too. Now the cool thing, like I said, with this canvas is you're messing with it and having some fun to see which one fits the best for you, right? And we literally just leveraged that template that we got because I thought it was a cool template, and I ended up leveraging that template and creating something pretty cool. So let's say we're just have this one. Looks clean, looks good. I can go ahead and download and then put to the width whatever I want. It's right now in the Merch by Amazon or Amazon Merch on Demand width and height. I can remove the background if I want. Let's go ahead and do that. So you can hit that, remove the background, that downloaded, and that's ready to upload to Amazon. But let's go over here and check out this mockup feature. Now you can see how we leveraged AI right there, right? It was really powerful how we come up with the idea. We created literally 1, 2, 3, 4 snowmen that are playing the electric guitar, right? And we came up with different ideas because it's not that I didn't like it. It's still really good, but I just wanted to take the concept and see what else I can create to make it even a better design. Because look at the electric guitar on this one compared to this one. It seems like it's more of a, and the arms and stuff like that, it seems like it's more brought it to life just a little bit more. I think it's a really cool design. Let's go ahead and let's put it on a mock-up now. So you can come over here to the left-hand side. So you have these mock-ups over here that are really cool too as well. And we can show all, let's go to t-shirts, and it's populating some t-shirts designs for us. Let's go ahead and look at this. All right, and then let's say like you wanted to create a mock-up for your audience on your social media page, and or even run some ads or test out a design, see how your audience likes it. This is a perfect way to do that too as well. Now we have it all nice and set up. You can go ahead and hit the download on that mock-up. Let's go ahead and click on it. Boom. Look at that. Look how cool that was. Literally put our own snowman rocking Christmas. And I can come back to the editor too as well. Keep in mind, if you want to change out any of the, like the word, change the text, it's very simple. We're literally just, you click on it and then you could edit anything in here. So let's keep it at rocking. And you can see how cool that is and easy it was. I could do that with any of, they can do a Christmas too as well. And simple, easy, like just drag and drop, put in a few, you change the wording. If you don't want rocking, you can change that to something else. If you don't want Christmas, you can change it to something else. It's literally that simple. And then, for example, I create a lot of t-shirt designs for Amazon Merch on Demand. I can literally just grab that design, upload it over here, and look at it's ready to rock and roll, ready to upload and get it up on Amazon. And you just obviously picking the right colors and stuff for the design. And you just do all that in the uploading process, and the design is ready to upload to Amazon. You can see it right there. And then also too, the font is all clickable, and then you can change it. So very simple. So if I want to change it to something else, I can just change Snowman Christmas, and I can literally just change it to that, and boom, it's there. Or I could resize it right here to make it fit in. If I want to do that, I could do that, or just keep it to how it was, rocking Christmas. I can do that. And keep in mind, when you come over here, you can change pretty much all the font. There's thousands and thousands of font back here with Kittl. There's a ton of different fonts you can choose from, which is really amazing. You can even upload your own if you want to, right? And the same thing with Christmas. You can do the same exact thing that I do with rocking. It's all editable and everything. You can move everything around, which is really powerful, especially if you want to do it to your liking and you want your own, put your own spin on a design or a template back here. You can definitely do that, especially with all these features and all these tools that you have at your fingertips. And there you have it, a professional t-shirt design created in minutes. with Kittl AI. Whether you're starting a print-on-demand business or just making something cool for yourself, Kittl makes the process easy and fun. Now it's your turn. Go explore the templates, experiment with the tools, and see what amazing designs you can create. If you want to see how I create another design with Kittl, watch this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.